How typewriters empowered women and sparked social change. The typewriter was a catalyst for empowerment, opening doors for women and paving the way for transformative social change. It shattered traditional barriers to education and employment, leading to the establishment of institutions like typing schools. A key example is the school founded by the Remington Company, designed specifically for women. These schools not only taught essential typing skills, but also created pathways to higher quality education and better job prospects. As a result, countless women stepped into roles once dominated by men, reshaping societal norms and forging a new era for women in the workforce. The typewriter was more than a tool. It was a revolutionary instrument that unlocked a world of opportunities and inspired significant change during its time. It helped break down barriers and fueled a movement towards equality and independence.